Hi, my name is Muriel from ValueBlue, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit multiple objects at once in BlueDolphin. This feature can save you a lot of time when working with similar objects. You can edit multiple objects at once from either a view or the Objects tab. To edit multiple objects on a view, navigate to the view containing the objects you want to edit. Click and drag to select each object on the view that you wish to edit. When you open the tab on the right, you will see the text Compound Objects, confirming you're now editing all selected objects. Here it is possible to change many different values of this group of objects. Here we will change the hosting of these selected applications to SaaS. When we do that, you can see right away that the colors of the applications change to the correct color for SaaS hosting in the legend of the view. It is also possible to edit multiple objects at once from the Objects tab. In order to do this, go back to the Objects tab and select the objects you wish to edit by checking the boxes. When you have selected the desired objects, click on the Edit Selected Objects button. The objects will open and again you will see the text Compound Objects, which confirms you are editing multiple objects at once. Again, you can change different objects values from here. Let's again change the hosting of these applications to SaaS. You can see that for every application we selected, the hosting is now changed to SaaS. That was it for today. Would you like to see a particular BlueDolphin feature highlighted? Or maybe you have a useful tip that everyone should know? Please leave a comment and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time!